we are going to further example of comparative profit and loss statement. Profit and loss statement for year ending on 2018 and 19 of Shankar Limited are as follow. Prepare comparative profit and loss statement. Comparative profit and loss statement of Shankar Limited, Schedule 3 of Company Act 2013. First, particulars. Second, notes. Third, 31st March 18 first. Then 19. Increase and decrease in notice 5 number. Increase and decrease in percentage 6 number. Value of 6 number is value of 5 number by 3 number into 100. So you have to convert the data in 100. So first, revenue from operation sales. Revenue from operation sales 2018 22 lakh 50,000 and 30 lakh 37,000 and 500. So there is an increase in sales rupees 7,87,500. 30 lakh 37,500 minus 22 lakh 50,000, 7 lakh 87,500 in percentage friends. So the rough work. First, 7 lakh 87,000 divided by 25 lakh 50,000 into 100, so percentage is 35% friends. Now, other income rupees 5 lakhs. First, 85 lakhs, then 3 lakh 50,000. So there is decrease. So it is shown in bracket, friends. Third, 3 lakh 50,000 minus 5 lakhs. So minus 1 lakh 50,000. Minus amount is always shown under bracket in Company Act, according to Company Act. So 1 lakh 50,000 by 5 lakhs. 1 lakh 50,000 by 5 lakhs into 100 is equal to 30%. Shown in bracket because there is decrease. Now total revenue is 27 lakh 50,000. Total revenue is 7,500. 33 lakh 87,500. So there is increase in sales. Total income 7,500. 6 lakh 37,500. 6 lakh 37,500 divided by number 3, 27 lakh 50,000 into 100 is equal to 23.18%. So this is total income. Now expenses, cost of goods consumed. Cost of goods consumed given in 18 first 15 lakhs.
Time 330 minutes 0 seconds. Distance 1.02 kilometer.
18 lakhs minus 15 lakhs, there is increase 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs by 15 lakhs into 100 is 20%. Now net purchase for resale 1 lakh. 1,35,000. 1,35,000. Increase is rupees 35,000. And 35,000 by 1 lakh into 100, so 35%. Now change in stock 35,000 and 45,000. There is increase in stock is 10,000. So 10,000 divided by 35,000 into 128.57%. Rough work is given below the example. Now annual benefit expense is 2 lakhs. Now 2,80,000. So increase in expenses rupees 80,000. 80,000 by 2 lakhs into 100 is equal to 40% difference. Now financial cost 45,000 first, increase by 67,500. So there is increase in financial cost rupees 22,500. 22,500 by 45,000 into 100 is equal to 50%. Now depreciation, or it is also known as amortized asset. Amortized asset means, friends, the assets you cannot be used now. So those assets you cannot use are called amortized asset. It is one kind of depreciation or loss of the business model. So amortized assets or depreciation 35,000, 52,500. So there is increase in depreciation is 17,500. So 17,500 by 35,000 into 100, 50%. Now, all the expenses are over. So first do the sum of the 6 expenses, 19,15,000. The sum of this is 23,80,000. There is increase in expense. 23,80,000 minus 19,50,000 is equal to 4,65,000 total. Percentage is 4,65,000 by 19,50,000. Yes, friends. 4,65,000 by 19,50,000 into 100 is equal to 24.28%. Now, this is total expense. Now, profit before tax, 3 number, total revenue 27,50,000 minus 19,50,000 is equal to 8,35,000. 33,87,500 minus 23,80,000 is equal to 10,07,500. So now 6,37,500 minus 4,65,000 is equal to increase in profit is 1,72,500. Now percentage 1,72,500 divided by 8,35,000 into 100 is equal to 20.66%. Now income tax 30% of 8,35,000 into 30 by 100, 2,50,500. 10,07,500 into 30 by 100, 3,02,250 rupees. So there will be increase in tax is 1,72,500 into 30 by 100, 51,750. Now percentage 51,07,000.
Time 335 minutes 0 seconds. Distance 1.02 kilometer.
20.66%. Now profit after tax is 8,35,000 minus 250,500 is equal to 5,84,500. 10,07,500 minus 3,02,250 is equal to 7,500,250 rupees. Increase 1,72,500 minus 51,750, 120 lakhs 1,20,750. Percentage 120,750 divided by 5,84,500 into 100 is equal to 20.6. If last 3% are equal, then you can say that your example is right. Once again, friend, there is a point that last 3%, if your last 3% are equal, your example is right. We will carry on tomorrow. Thank you, friends.